ating hahanapin ay ihaw. Ihaw ma? Ihaw ma. Eto, makita nyo ang food bazaar dito sa Night Market, Baguio City. If you really feel like being hungry, as in being hungry, the place that you should go is this one. The public no. The Baguio Night Market. Oh. Tapos dito, no? Ito yung dito yung Han. Ayun, no? So ito yung kanilang barbecue. Pulang-pula lahat. Yes, this is all authentic Filipino food. At its finest. Yan. Betamax gusto to.
Dito siguro.